Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to delete watchlist on Gumtree. To delete a watchlist on Gumtree, the first thing to do is to open the Gumtree application. Make sure that you're signed into your account, and after you are signed in, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, tap on Watchlist. All of the watch lists that you've previously marked will be displayed on the screen. To delete an individual item from the watch list, press and hold the item and tap the trash icon once the ad is selected at the top right corner. Doing this will remove an item from the watch list. If you want to delete all the items from the watch list tab, tap the three dots at the top right and click on Delete All. And that way, you should be able to delete watch list on Gumtree. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.